How to register Green Dot Card account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is, you can head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let's move into Safari. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Green Dot Card account sign up. Tons of different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, open an account. You will land on the official page of Green Dot Bank. Here, what you want to do is simply tap on open an account at the top right corner of the screen. It will land you on this page. So in this page, you have to fill up all of the information that has been asked. First of all, you have to enter your information like your first name, last name, address, zip code, phone number, email address, your social security number, and also your date of birth. Once you are done filling the information, the next thing you want to do is read all of these guidance and policies and click on this checkbox if necessary. Once it is done, tap on this checkbox I'm not a robot and then click on open my account. Then you will receive one confirmation code on your email address. You simply have to enter it. Once you enter your confirmation code, your account will be successfully created and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can register for your Green Dot Card account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.